Díomh gach duine, okay, Lake sa bhaile, seachtain, fiche sa sé, lá cuaig, leathanach, céad is a cuaig, page 104. Here we go.
Ula.
Féach an stór de ula buí, san úlard mór chúl an tí. Córíd an gran, féchan siad go hálinn ann. Fannig mé an seo faoin gran, ísi mé úl má hitan ceann, le ó túhal.
Okay, so let's have a look at this lovely little poem.
Ula.
Ula are apples. So this poem's all about apples.
Féach an stór de ula buí.
Okay, so féach, look at the store of ula buí, of yellow apples.
San úlard mór chúl an tí.
In the Ullard Moor, so apples are kept in an orchard, an Ullard, and a Ullard Moor is a big orchard, Cúlanty at the back of the house.
Córíd an gran, féchan siad go hálinn ann.
So Córíd means count them on the tree. Féchan siad, they look go hauling there, they look lovely there.
Fannig mé an seo faoin gran, ísi mé úl má hitan ceann.
Okay, I will stay under the tree, and easy may, I will eat úl, an apple, má hitan ceann. Má means if, hitan ceann, if it falls on my head. Now, it would be great if you might learn that. You could try learning that poem and saying it off by heart. It'd be really nice.